Natural gas once again stayed bearish after breaching past. We had discussed this last time. After breaching past 2.4, you can expect little more bearishness, and we had also discussed that it has formed a low. It is can give you higher lows till 2.1. I will not consider this as bearish. Precisely, it has dropped in towards close to 2.12 levels and still failed to sustain at the lower levels, have bounced back. So once again, yes, 2.16, which is the previous lows, it needs to be breached, then further bearishness. Now what to expect next week and how to profit trading net, guess whether it is going to stay bullish and it is going to fly high, or we can expect a break on the downside. Which position you should take trading net, guess we will see with the help of charts followed with indicators. Towards the end, I will give you the trading levels and strategy for next week. Do watch till the end and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. Also, you can join our free Telegram channel where you get the live updates. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, let's have a look at let's start with the weekly charts first. See, it has formed a reversal sign here on the weekly charts, formed a bottom here at 2.06, double bottom here, and since then we have seen the NG's price rising. Now also this is forming a classical move, three green candles, one sharp retracement candle, couple of green candles and couple of sharp retracement candles. Also we had discussed this last week that after this consolidation breaking below 2.4, we can expect it to trade more bearish. Interestingly, what it has done, higher lows are done, higher high. This is still in the expansion zone. Once it breaks past 2.06, then you can consider that net gas has turned sharply bearish, as it is just retraced and a possible reversal can be expected. You cannot think out of as bearish till the time it stays above 2.1 2.06 levels. I had commented on this multiple times. This is still a retracement, but remember, we have to not stick to our but stick to the levels which it is trying to form. Hence, any point of time, if it stays below 2.1 and 2.06 level, in fact 2.1 levels next week, if it stays below 2.1, you can say that it is trying to trade more bearish. Then I will look forward to 2.06 levels, and below which only you can say net gas has broken and breached and it is going to trade bearish and break below $2 levels and 1.8 levels. Now what has happened here is, on the weekly charts, it has also formed lower highs, flat bottom. It is still in the consolidation zone here. Now look at the daily. On the daily charts, triple bottom, after forming the triple bottom, highs, retracement, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Yes, it is giving still higher lows here, which is a very good sign that it is forming a classical formation. And now if it stays above this zone, which is at 2.4 2.5, you can consider that net gas might fly again till towards this time it is going to break past $3 levels. Now looking at the net gas on the near term charts, you can see this lower highs, lower lows. You can also see this is trading in this bearish channel. Also, if you look at the last candle, it has signaled a slight reversal. It might open about 2.22 and then march till towards 2.25 2.3. Now once it starts to stay above 2.3, we can see more pullback till towards 2.4, breaking beyond which you can expect that the net gas is trying to reverse and it is going to stay bullish. Remember, it can completely erase the losses in couple or more candles. This is the beauty of net gas, and hence we have to be watchful. At the same time, breaking below 2.1, that is the level below which you can consider that the bears are back, and below 2.06 certainly it is going to crash again. Now look at the monthly charts. On the monthly charts, higher lows are seen, flat top is seen. Previous candle was a swing candle. This time once again, if it breaks past in fact 2.3 also, you can say we may see a greener candle taking it on the upside. How far it can stretch? See, previous, I'll wait for this 2.6, 2.8 zone to be breached, and beyond that, we are going to look forward to a very strong bullish candle. See, the drop is done. Once it stays above 2.3, just stay long in that guess. We are going to look forward to 2.83 levels again. Remember this fact, bullish move is expected. How far it can stretch that levels on the downside, that is what we should look. I will still remain bullish in net gas till the time it stays about 2.06. Breaking below this only, you can consider that net gas is going to break sharply on the downside, else a recovery is very much possible. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators. Indicators on the monthly charts, moving averages have started to converge, have not yet crossed over Good resistance lying at around 4 levels. Yes, it is trying to form a bottom and a recovery is very much possible. You can see directional movement is bearish, almost trading without any divergence, and the stochastic has come to extremely oversold levels. A recovery has to be there. The MACD is sharp and bearish. It can possibly converge from here. We have seen it flattening. Possibly a convergent crossover in the near term may bring the bullishness here. It has stayed sharply bearish for months now. Time for it to cross over on the buy side. RSI has dropped. Also, if you look at the weekly chart, now see on the weekly charts, the prices have started to diverge strongly. See the 20 and 50 period divergence is very strong. This increases the chance of conversion till towards at least the 20 period moving average. The simple moving average right now situated at around 2.4. It needs to break past by 2.4 levels, and then possibly we are going to look at least $3 levels, and in fact it can try to recover till towards $4 levels. Also, if you look at the weekly chart, the 50 and 100 weeks crossover has also happened. This is a bearish sign as of now. Hence, one has to be watchful, and possibly once it stays about 2.3, 2.4, considering you can say that 2.8 and $3 levels, you can take a positional trade here for a little longer hold and can expect a stronger rise. See the directional movement diverging. Stochastic has dropped. MACD on the other hand has crossed over here, trading with little divergence. You can see, but last two candles has started to converge, have helped it to converge. Possibly couple of more bullish candle, and then the prices or the MACD starts to look upwards. Right now, it is still deciding whether to trade bullish or not. RSI at bottom, and now look at the daily charts. Now, if you look at the daily chart, see the 20 and 50 crossed over here, but again a crossover is seen here. And possibly this is the zone that is at 2.4. It needs to break past by, then further bullishness can be seen, and these prices can again converge crossover on the buy side. Right now on the daily chart, the super trend is also turned into sell till the time it stays above below 2.6 levels, and thus it has to turn green for little more bullishness. Let's see if it does. Yes, the prices are at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. We have to get sharper moves for a recovery. The directional movement divergent and bearish, stochastic oversold, and if you look at the MACD, see on the daily chart it is bearish, but see it is flattened. The candles have flattened here. Possibly a convergent crossover here will bring more bullishness. RSI again at bottom. So we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategy for next week. And before I proceed with the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. 22nd batch starts on 5th of June. Couple of seats are left. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel where trading as per the signals. Definitely you can benefit. Reach out again on the same IDs for more details. Now, next week, as you can see, a possible recovery, you can buy, but only buy at a certain level. First thing is, see, till 2.22, do not buy. Above 2.22, you can buy for 2.2, 2.25, 2.28, and 2.3. Now, till 2.3, it has got nearby resistances. That is why I am giving such nearby levels. We have to keep shifting our stop losses till here. Beyond 2.35, it is going to be 2.36 and 2.4. These two levels staying above 2.4. If it stays above 2.4, we can expect 2.6 levels, and beyond this time it is going to hit $3 levels. Remember this fact, and this is applicable for the complete. But most importantly, for next week, we have to break past, we have to see it breaking past 2.3, 2.4 zone. And on the downside, now till, as we have already seen, let me give you the levels, but on the downside till 2.1, 2.06 level, do not consider net gas as bearish. Once again, I am telling you. Now you can sell here at 2.15 because it can try to form a tail before looking forward to rise. 2.15, 2.12, very good support, and 2.1. If it drops below 2.1, we can expect 2.06. Now remember, this will increase my heartbeats for little bearishness. Breaking this will bring more bears, and then below that $2 levels, below this, it is going to trade bearish. No one can help net gas, and it is going to go till towards 1.8 and below levels. I still expect a bounce back. I still expect a recovery. Recovery here is going to be sharp enough. We can possibly expect 2.3, 2.4 in this week, and then in the month of June, this might try to hit 2.8 and $3 levels again. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, join my free Telegram channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.